Okay. Once again, I am telling you, all of you, good morning to all of you. Please, we are going to discuss about the different land use pattern of the earth surface. And as we have already, just now one student has said me that land is used for the various purposes, isn't it? For a cultivation of crops, building of houses, constructions of roads and railways, even the animals are grazing, etc. So this is commonly known as a land use pattern. The question may be asked as what is the uses of different uses of land use, and it can be asked as what is land use pattern. Both are same, in which you have to say about that the land use is used for the different purposes, and that you have to write down that it is used for what which purpose, isn't it? It is used for cultivation, grazing of animals, building purposes, industrial use, railway, roads, etc. That's what we have said, no? Agriculture is the most important one. So the percentage of land use for the various purpose varies from one region to another region. You can't say that every land is used for the same purposes. The uses of land may be differ from one place to another place according to the land features and the region, according to their physical factors, isn't it? Now there are different region, and the purposes also varies from one region to another region. Now see, the utilization of land is determined by the continuous interplay of the physical factor. You have already seen that there are many physical factors are there. As one of them, can you tell me what are the one physical factors affects the uses of land? What may be one? Hmm. Yes. Yeah, vegetation cover. See, there are different factors, physical factors such as relief. बनावट आप जिसको कहते हैं ना, कहीं पे आपका लो लैंड है, प्लेन्स है, डेजर्ट्स है ना, प्लेटू रीजन्स है, तो दीज आर नोन एज अ relief features of the land. So among the physical factors you are going to nutrients also count. So we talk about the relief features of the land. It comes under physical factors. Second one is the soil, the type of soil. For example, what you talk about the physical factors of desert region? The soil of desert region is sandy. Then what do you think that it's not used? That land is not used. That soil, desert land is not used for any other purposes. No, you're wrong. Even the desert land is also used for many other purposes. Give me at least one example. What are the croppings are done there in desert region? Hmm? Hmm? Palm trees are there. Hmm? Watermelon. Say, I'll discuss about the desert region, which is also used for the many of the such purposes. Even the cultivation is also done in the desert region, but the categories have been defined there. Now, climatic conditions, mineral resources, all these things are the physical factors of particular region. So, region to region, the use of land is different. Now, and the human factors also determines the land use pattern. What can be the human factors? What can be the human factor? Density of population. Very good. So, and the technological and social requirement of the people. Huh. No, that is another thing, beta. कि overusing of land is, that is up to you, that you are using your land, overusing your land, isn't it? We are talking about the human